Say some stories. Do you love Grandma Lena and David?
Yeah.
Grandpa Gerwing?
Yeah.
And Grandma Lena?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're about ready to open up your presents, huh?
Yeah.
And those are presents from Grandma and Grandpa in Colorado, right?
Yeah.
Can you give a big smile? How happy you are? Let's see those teeth. All right, now let's work and open up those presents. All right.
Okay, open it up.
Look in.
Yeah.
Oh, that. Oh, wow.
What is that?
Wow. Piano. Are you going to piano? Want to help?
Wow. Oh, look.
Oh, neat, Kevin.
What is it, Kevin?
Piano.
Yeah.
Piano. Open that.
Can you look at the camera and we're going to send this to Grandpa Dave and Grandma Lena. Can you say thank you?
I have it.
Yes, look at the camera. What are you going to say?
Thank you.
Yeah,
Who
say.
sent this to you?
Come here.
And who else?
Give me Dave.
That was
Yeah.
Okay, we'll play with this now.
Kevin, say I love you, Grandpa, Grandma. Can you say I love you?
I want you.
Okay, say bye, Kevin. Can you wave goodbye to the camera?
Bye, Kevin. Bye, Kevin.
Okay.